got another taste test video for you guys. Today we've got the cinnamon roll Oreos. We're gonna try these out. Let you guys know what we think.
Oh,
So
that was loud. Can I go first? Okay.
Alright, so it's supposed to be a cinnamon cookie.
Let's open it.
And then, I guess like the frosted inside. Alright, so open it up.
And not bad.
So that tastes kind of like the icing on the cinnamon roll.
Mm.
Alright, put it back together. Alright, she's just gonna eat the icing.
I'm gonna save mine for later. I'm gonna drink my drink.
So, right away, like the cinnamon cookie is really strong, really powering. And it kind of finishes up with the, the icing flavor. So, we got some milk.
Good.
Dip it in some milk.
Oh.
You don't like milk? You don't like anything.
But except for the cookies. They're good.
Mm,
Mommy.
very good.
Let's give Mommy one. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
So the cinnamon flavor, like I said, it's very strong. You definitely get the cinnamon, and that kind of finishes up with the icing. So, I'm gonna give these a thumbs up. They're very good.
Me too.
Surprisingly, she's gonna give something a thumbs up because she don't like anything. That's everything we got. Go check out my channel for some other taste test videos, and we have several unboxing videos.
Mommy, thumbs up. Mommy is a thumb up.
And Mommy gave it a thumbs up too. So leave me a comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.
Bye.